Hello friends, welcome back to CCSP certified channel. Today we are going to cover log management and the use of SIEM system. Very important for not only CCSP, for CISSP exam also. You can expect one question at least from this topic. Before starting this, if you are new to my channel, I would like to inform that this is topic 6 going on, and it is lecture 7 of the topic 6, which is miscellaneous. Prior to this, I have already covered 5 topics. First one was encryption and use of cryptography in the cloud security. Second was identity access management. Third was cloud characteristics. Fourth was risk in the cloud. And the last one was international laws and standard. So this way I have already covered over 90% syllabus of CCSP exam. The last topic is going on and I will cover 100% syllabus by end of this topic. And my focus in this video series, I started this around 1.5 years before, and I tried to cover the high probability exam topics. My vision or my mission is to help you get further faster in your CCSP exam certificate. For this, I'm covering high probability exam topics, also difficult exam concept, because soundness of concept is very important to clear any of the IC square exam, especially CCSP. It is technical and concept incentive exam. Also, I do cover questions along with the theory, and the questions are covered from various sources. One of the important sources, my candidate feedback. I do conduct classroom teaching also, and also I sell the self-paced recording that I will cover later. But yeah, the question bank, official question bank, and the candidate feedback are the source of my teaching, and I will try to make my 15 years of experience, CCSP, CISSP, and other cloud certification learnings to make things simple and easy for you. In case you are interested to this YouTube studies is good enough and sufficient for clear the exam. But in case you want comprehensive study, you want someone who can discuss with you, you can discuss your doubt, or you want to conduct some test papers, then you can reach me. I do conduct classroom program also, and I do sell self-paced video recording also at very nominal rates. So reach me at the ccsp-certified at gmail.com or +918370081064. This is WhatsApp number for more detail on the same. So let's come to the topic, which is SIEM, SIEM, and which is combination of SIM and SEM. So what is SIM stand for? S for security, I for information, and E for event management. Security, information, and event management tool which read logs actually. So SIEM systems is centralized systems which can feed with the logs of host logs, flow logs, application logs, CASP, IDS, IPS, honey taps, and can be used for secure monitoring of this environment. So how it will work, we'll see in this video. But before this, quickly we'll see that when we have a multiple environments, especially multi-cloud or hybrid cloud environment, apologies, it is a multi-cloud, not multi-cloud, multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environment, the vastness of the data collected in the logs is the main problem, and we need a aggregator where we can inject the logs from various sources like on-premise or other clouds for reviews. The SIEM system can provide real-time analysis of security alerts generated by network, hardware, and applications. So before we go in deeper in the SIEM, we see first was the log management, and there is a NIST standard SP892. There is no need to remember the standard, just remember the few important points. What is a log? Log is a event that occurred in the organizations. It can be positive, can be negative, so like it can be because of the incident or anything that is being generated is a event, and the logs are the group of this event, and the log should be protected because they are very important, and you cannot produce the logs for the evidence purpose if it is tempered. Same way, there should be a proper backup recovery plan and DRP, and logs play a very important role in that also. There should be a logs depend on the type of service that is being provided, and one most important point is change of the privileges. Privilege account users, any changes done by privilege accounts or happen in the privilege account must be logged, monitored, and alerted for immediate action because privileged accounts are high risk accounts can damage more than the regular accounts. This is a very important point, and in the exam they might not give this standard. They give what is true about the log management, and they may give some scenarios like it should be protected, it is important part of recovery, and the backups like this. So you have to identify the odd one out. Now we come to the SIEM systems, which is security and information event management tool. The SIEM is being sold as a software or appliance or managed services by different vendor to and used to log the security data and generate report for compliance purposes. Also, the SIEM is composed of SEM and SIEM. So, what is SEM? So, SEM is containing the real-time monitoring, correlationship of events, notification, and console views, whereas the SIM is a long-term analysis and reporting of the data. So this combination of SEM and SIM become SIEM. There is a very important is code log correlationship because it can analyze the numerous events and add a business context to analyze the event and draw the correlationship between them in sequential manner before providing any logical solutions. Let's say you identify that a event is occurring after every particular timestamp, like failed login attempt is happening after every 20 minutes. It might be a correlationship because someone tried to do a brute force attack on our accounts. So if log system is there, it can identify the correlationship between the events like wrong attempt and the timestamps. So this way, SIM system is very beneficial in those cases and can we can define the alerts, and these alerts can helpful to identify this either downtime or attacks, and here the SIM systems play a very important role. Also, one of the most important component of the SIM system is NTP, network time synchronization protocol, that is allowed to synchronize of the system clocks, and that's needed because different systems producing logs at the different timestamps, you will not able to do a correlation between them. You cannot identify the events occurred in the same time or not. Apart from this, SIM system also have capabilities of data aggregations, correlationship we already have seen, data integrity, alerting, a dashboard also, compliance reporting, log retention, and forensic analysis also. Even e-discovery also, SIM system is very important. You can produce the logs as evidences if they are protected via SIM systems and is maintain the data integrity. So this theory part, we'll see what type of questions can be asked from this topic quickly. The first one, which of the following type of solution is often used for regulatory compliance reporting? We have seen just now that same system can be used for the reporting purpose of the regulatory compliance one, even e-discovery also. So DLP, DRM, IDS are the tools which is for the security purpose. They are used to control or add the security layers. So SIM system can be used the reporting also. So answer will be SIM. Next one, after implementing a SIM solution, John discovered that the timestamps on the log entries are not synchronized. What protocol can John deploy in her organization to ensure clocks are synchronized? So we have seen just before that NTP is the one which is very important tool and which ensure that the clocks are synchronized, and this play a very important role because different systems may produce the logs at different timestamps if they are not in sync, and it will create a confusion or you will not able to correlate the events when that someone logged in, then someone opened the account, and then the modification or assigned or deleted the account until unless they are not in the same time zone or synchronized in the time side. Next one, this involves looking for a common attribute and linking events into meaningful bundles. This technology provides the ability to perform a variety of techniques to integrate different sources to turn data into a useful information. Which of the following capabilities of SIM system is desired above? So it's asking that out of various capabilities of SIM system like data integrations, data aggregations, alerting, dashboard, correlationship or correlation, which one is highlighted here. So if you notice here, it is saying that linking events to a meaningful bundle, and we have seen this. This is a property of the correlation. So the answer would be B in that case. The next one, Event monitoring tool we sometimes call as SIEM, ACM, SIM can aid in the which of the following efforts. So in which of the following scenarios SIM can be helpful? We read one by one. This is a very good question. Reduce workload for production personals. So a personals whose workloads can be reduced with the SIM system is not necessary. Yeah, workload. The person can have a workload because of the various reason. In SIM system, just a monitoring alerting tool might not able to help in those scenarios. Optimizing performance. Yeah, this can be a case because you can identify which tool is taking, which portal is taking more time, which components are slowing down the systems, and you can optimize based on the logging time reported. So we'll keep that apart and we'll discuss other questions. Decreasing size of the log files. It cannot increase and decrease size of the log files. Log files are generated based on the requirement of the components. So it can view the logs, but it cannot increase or decrease the log file size. Ensuring adequate lighting of the workspace. Very wrong. This is something which should have been eliminated at very first step. So only correct option looks like optimizing performance. The next one is the last one in this one. Which of the following is one of the benefit of event monitoring from ACIEM, ACM, and SIM? And this type of question has been seen in the exam, so it's a very important question. We'll see it one by one. So what SIM system can help? Can it increase the physical security? It cannot. If it is asking for that software security in something which could be considered, but physical security is like aiding guards, dogs, logs. This is not a SIM system can do. Psychological deterrence. This also not possible. Deterrence is to ensure that the attacks are delayed. So if you cannot avoid the attacks, you delay the attacks. So until the attacks happens, you can have a proper backups available. Cost saving. So yeah, cost saving can be done with the SIM system because it can analyze, improve the performance. But we park this. We go to the last one. More logs can be viewed at a faster speed. Yes, this is what the actual purpose of the SIM system, because it can correlate and aggregate the logs at the one place, and you can then view the logs quickly rather than logging to every server and analyze them. So I will go with the option D, even though option C is also correct, but the in exam we have to identify sometimes the more correct answer. The more correct answer is option D here. So this for today. I think